Hi guys, this is Trading Twilight. I am Ankita Agnihotri and I am just making this video on live. This is market where market is ready to reject from 25,800 level. So we will be going to grab this opportunity in the puts. So maybe this 25,900 put will be going to blast today because this 800 is going to be distorted. Then 25,700 will be the next support and so on, like 25,560 will be the next support. So we will be going to book our profit firstly 25,700, then any retracement will be going to come, then we will be going to make entry again, and we will be going to book at 25,560. So 600 you can also book at the particular support, and then we will be look forward for the 25,560, which is the extreme support. So it's not possible, maybe market will be going to give a downfall in a straight forward line, maybe it will be going to retrace, and then we will be going to capture the next move, which is likely to happen in the downside only. So I'm looking for the like bearish uh, trade in this particular trend, because firstly market has going in the upside where 940 rejection is very stronger, and call writers are very dominating at here, and it's going to reject from that particular point, and this downfall is expected. Since morning I was expecting a downfall, so I was making positions where it's going to be reject, and the resistance level, which is 24 5 940 area, 930, I was making the positions in the put side, and which is having a blast today, and right now I'm trailing, and I have made again a position which is 25 820 support is going to be distorted, so I have made a position and my limit orders got punched. So let's see how much it will be going to rock today. So I think this is the best like put trade, and we have the bearish trend, like we have uh, already distorted the support yesterday and day before yesterday, which is 900 support, and it has retested it, and again it's ready to give a down move towards the like 25 560, which is like the key level, and 600 area. So on so on we have to book at 25 700 firstly, and then we will be going to look for more opportunity in the downside. If 800 will be going to distort, then more opportunity will the downside will be going to, we will be going to grab. And this is the particular area where the congestion zone is there, which is 25 860 and 840 area. So it is taking rejection again and again, and this is made a hammer, right? So everyone is looking for bullishness at here, but maybe this is a kind of sailing retracement I'm looking, and more downside I'm looking for, because market is in a trend which is bearish. So be with the trend and try to look for opportunities in the sale side. And whenever it's going to be go for a retracement, sort of like a for the resistance level, so you can make again position in the downside. And firstly you have to make mind who has trapped. So I think the buyers has trapped, who has put the market in the upside firstly, and they have now like no like strength to take it and another level. So maybe the rejections will be going to come into the pictures, which is much more in the feasible size. So try to book like small quantities at the support, and again make entry on resistance. So sale on rise market is there, and no buying opportunity till now. Maybe in the morning we have found a one scalp in the buy side, but it was very risky, so I have made very low quantity. Now the market is totally in a congestion and consolidation, and sideways, or sideways to we can say in the downside. So I will be again going to make entries in the 25 900 ports, where like this 25 900 is going to be reject, this call is going to be reject, then 25 900 put will be going to make a bigger move in the downside. So let's see where it will be going to make positions. So we are like again on the resistance, and this 25 860 and this 25 820 is the like consolidation particular supports. So maybe if support is going to be distorted, then a move in the downside is possible. And till then, it's not going to distort the support. It has retested the support, and again it will be going to give up like downside. Then beautifully it will be going to give a down move, and till then it is not going, we will not going to do a buy scale. We will just wait, and where it will be going to reject again on the 900 area or 920, then again we will be going to make position on the selling side. So sale on rise is there. So according to the price action, market is bearish and data is turned negative, which is positive in the morning only. So try to make a very low position today, because like 84 800 area is already distorted in the Sensex, and in Nifty 25 800 area, like 900 is already rejected. So 850 or this concession zone is will be going to